Now we are coming the next part of solid state. This is actually glossary of crystal or solid state. Now the first heading is what is the mean of lattice point, unit shell and space lattice. This is actually called crystal lattice. So here we draw the dotted point. This dotted point is represent the atom and this is actually called a lattice point. If they arrange in a particular order in a particular direction, this particular direction is called lattice array. Array means direction. So lattice means lattice point, arrange in a order, so this is called lattice array. This is the actually 2D structure. Now after that I am draw the structure of unit shell. This unit shell is represented in a whole crystal. This whole crystal is actually called crystal lattice or space lattice. Now again listen that the one point which is represented by arrow, this represent the unit shell. Unit means one or shell point. And if arranged in an order, then it form a three-dimensional cubic type shape. This is represent the space lattice or crystal lattice. So for again listen that what is the mean of lattice point, the smallest particle which arrange in a particular direction. This smallest particle or the smallest point is called lattice point or lattice particle. If it arrange in a particular direction, this is called lattice array. Array means direction. It form a smallest 3D unit. This is called unit shell. Unit means shell means सबसे छोटी unit. If arranged in a 3D dimension, this or it form a whole crystal. This is called space lattice or crystal lattice. Space lattice तब कहा जा सकता है जब हमें 3D स्ट्रक्चर की लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट और उसका स्ट्रक्चर मालूम हो और उस स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करके यूनिट शेल एक टोटल क्रिस्टल बनेगा, तब उसको क्रिस्टल पॉइंट लैटिस बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पूरी बिल्डिंग बनी होती है एक सॉलिड ब्रिक से. ब्रिक बनी होती है छोटे पार्टिकल से. तो जो छोटे पार्टिकल्स हैं, दी स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स आर बिहेव एज अ लैटिस पॉइंट and brick is called unit shell, and whole structure, it means a building, whatever is formed, this is called crystal lattice or space lattice. Now here I am write the definition. Lattice means lattice word. Lattice means Latin word. This is lathe means tiles yani bricks, and the definition is the smallest point or atom is called lattice point. Direction of arrangement is called lattice array. And repeating unit is called a unit shell, which form a space lattice or crystal lattice. After that we are coming the crystallographic axis. It means जो unit shell एक 3D डायरेक्शन में अरेंज होती है, x axis, y axis, z axis में, उसको crystallographic axis बोलते हैं. And its length, breadth, height represented by A, B, C. This is actually called interfacial side. An angle between interfacial side, this is called interfacial angle. We know that interfacial side represented by A, B, C, and interfacial angle is represented by alpha, beta, gamma. Next point is unit shell and its rank. Now point of remembering that unit shell and its rank means you first of all you remember that there are the two type of unit shell, classical and non-classical. Classical has a 3 points, simple cubic unit shell. This is the basic unit shell. किसी भी cubic unit shell को बनने के लिए SCC का होना जरूरी है. Second is body centered cubic unit shell. Third is face centered cubic unit shell. They all are coming in a classical. The next one is non-classical or specific. There are the three, A, B and C. A is called S-centered cubic unit shell. B is end-centered cubic unit shell. And third is hexagonal close co-packing or hexagonal unit shell. Now this is first one is a simple cubic unit shell. 8 corner and occupy the atom part. Atom का केवल 1/8 पार्ट ही ऑक्यूपाई करता है उस यूनिट शेल को बनाने में, क्योंकि उसका अंदर वाले पार्ट ही उसको बना रहा है और वो अंदर वाला पार्ट टोटल एक एटम का 1/8 है, यानी कि उसका ऑक्यूपाई करना 1/8 एट्थ कॉर्नर और उनका ऑक्यूपाई करने वाला 1/8 पार्ट, यानी टोटल एक एटम यानी 8 इंटू 1/8 एटम इस फॉर्म द SCC सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट शेल, यानी रैंक इसीलिए इसकी 1 होती है. And distance between two atoms which are arranged in a corner, edge length we know that A. So distance between two atoms is D is equal to A. D is distance, A is equal to edge length, and it is equal to distance between two center means 2r, it means the diameter. So D is equal to A is equal to 2r. Now next is body centered unit shell. 8 corners is formed by SCC and one body atom is present, so total rank is equal to, which is actually represented by rank represented by Z, is equal to SCC plus 1. 1 means body centered. So 8 is to 1/8 in plus 1 means total rank is 2. Now here I'm actually represented the ABC. ABC, AC represent the body diagonal and it has a square root 3 A, and because AB we find out this is root 2A and BC is equal to A, so naturally AC is equal to root 3A and AC has a 3 atoms, so total value is this is equal to root 3A is equal to 4R means 4 radii of each atom means 2R plus 2R and distance is 2D. So this is the relationship between edge length, radii and distance in a body centered unit shell. Next one is a face centered unit shell. In each face atom is arranged and as well as corner. कॉर्नर में तो रहेंगे यानी SCC तो बनेगा, साथ साथ एक फेस में भी रहेंगे. फेस में रहेंगे तो यानी कि फेस में आधा एटम अंदर आधा बाहर, यानी उसका पार्टिसिपेशन 1/2, यानी रैंक क्या हो जाएगी SCC प्लस FCC. SCC क्या था 8 is to 1/8 एंड FCC 6 फेस थे और पार्टिसिपेशन 1/2, यानी टोटल रैंक 1 plus 3 means equal to 4. Now in each face 3 atoms are attached, 2 corner and 1 is face center. 2 corner represented by AC and 3 atom is represented by circle and dark which is face and C. So this is root 2A. We know that AB is A and BC is equal to A, so naturally AC is equal to root 2A is equal to 2D plus 2D equal to 2D equal to 4R. So this is the relationship between distance, edge length and radii. Clear? This is actually for face centered cubic unit shell. After that we are coming in non-classical end centered unit shell. BCCs or SCCs actually present in each type of cubic unit shell. यानी 8 कॉर्नर में एटम्स रहेंगे यानी SCC रहेगा, और एंड सेंटर्ड माने केवल 2 अपोजिट फेस में एटम है. फेस में एटम का पार्टिसिपेशन 1/2 रहता है और 2 अपोजिट फेस में है तो SCC यानी 8 is to 1/8 और 2 is to 1/2 यानी कि 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 रह गया एंड सेंटर्ड यूनिट शेल में. Now in edge centered unit shell SCC बनेगा, ईच कॉर्नर में रहेंगे बट ईच एज के बीच में भी रहेगा, यानी कि all the 12 edges has atom in each center and participation is 1/4. It is represented by in a diagram. So rank is equal to SCC 12 corner 12 edges into participation 1/4 means 1 plus 3. It means total rank is coming 4. Now after that hexagonal cubic packing और यूनिट शेल 6 कॉर्नर पर रहेंगे हेक्सागोनल में, पार्टिसिपेशन 1/6, 6 नीचे 6 ऊपर, ईच फेस में सेंटर में 1 और बॉडी के सेंट्रल पार्ट में 3 एटम, यानी कि 12 रहेंगे तो 12 is to 1/6 क्योंकि ईच कॉर्नर में पार्टिसिपेशन 1/6 है. हर एक फेज में एक एटम है, पार्टिसिपेशन हाफ अंदर रहता है केवल, 2 is to 1/2 और सेंटर में केवल 3 रहते हैं 3 is to 1. तो टोटल रैंक आ गई हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग में 6. क्लियर? So these are the unit shell and its rank and distance between radii, edge length. Clear? So in next video I am coming the question related to this topic. Now thanks a lot.